Hi guys, welcome back to the Crazy Crew. Today we'll be making 2 winter slimes. So the ingredients you'll need is some glitters. I'm using green, red, gold, and silver. Like Christmassy colors. You'll need a mixing stick, a mixing bowl or container, a glue bottle. Since we're making a hot cocoa one, I'm going to put it in this mug, and you'll need some water because we're going to make it jiggly. Some activator. I use Tide for my activator. And to color the hot cocoa, we're doing it brown. And shaving cream. Okay, let's get started. First thing you want to do is open your Elmer's glue and pour in. I think that much should be good. Oh, you had a drop. Okay. The second thing you want to do is add your water. And mix it up. Ooh, everything's shaking. And you might need to add some more glue if it's too watery. I'm just using another one. And it's not coming out. How's this? There, just a little bit of glue can help it. So mix. Oh, this is the glue bottle. And you're not. Okay. Then you're gonna mix it all up, and then you'll have to add your coloring. And mixing it up. And it should look like a little hot cocoa-ish color. But if it's more like a watery cocoa, you can add some more. Oop, that was a lot. But it does look more like hot cocoa. You know. There you go. And then you will want to grab your activator. I'm using Tide for my activator. Starting to activate like this. And if it's still watery, you'll just have to put some more activator. Yep, and it's very starting to, you can see or tell it's starting to get more. We're doing jiggly slime because we want it to actually look like it's actually hot cocoa. There you go, now you can start seeing it's looking more like that. Then you'll want to start mixing with your hands. Go. And it'll start looking like this. And if it still looks kind of like more thick and not jiggly, you just want to add some more water. It'll be better if you add some warm water because cold might like kind of freeze it a little. Just like if you add super cold water. There you go, like this. It's not really jiggly. Jiggly should. We've been shaking again. It's not gonna fit. We're just gonna add some more water. Nice and warm. And after you dump some more water, it should look more jiggly. And I really want it really jiggly, so I'm gonna add some more. You just keep repeating it until you like or see how jiggly you like it. It might melt in the process, so you just have to add some more like activator. Like here's more jiggly now. Go. And if it does melt, you just have to add some more activator and keep mixing. Like this, it starts to melt like this. You just have to add some more activator. It's gonna be really jiggly. Okay. There you go. Okay, let's just put it on the table. Move that too. Go. See, now it's more jiggly like this. If it's still kind of sticky, see, like this. You just can add some more activator. I'm just going to add a little bit. So, there we go. There we go, now it's more jiggly. So when it's like this consistency, I'm going to put it in my mug or cup. There you go. That's a lot. So we actually did put a lot of it, or made a lot. There you go. Doesn't it look like hot cocoa? And then that's when the shaving cream comes in. You're gonna the shaving cream is going to be a substitute to whipped cream. So let's see how I go. And I'll also be putting a charm in. Oop, there you go. And that's how you make a hot cocoa slime. Ta-da! Now let's move on to the next slime. Now we're going to make Winter Wonderland slime. So, you're going to pour in your glue. Oop. Also, go and check out the banana fluffy slime we made. It's also a fluffy slime. Like and subscribe to that video too. Oh. And now you add the shaving foam and you mix. Oh, is that? Oh, no. Go. And I'm just starting with a little because this shaving foam kind of melts slime. So yeah, it's pretty. Next, you're going to add your glitters. I'm going to do like red glitter, just a little, because we don't want to have a big mess. I'm going to use gold. Next, Ooh, wow, that was a lot. Okay. I might have to add a lot of it then. There you go. And the green. Oh. And silver. Should add some in the middle. There you go. Now mix it up. Whoa. Okay, we'll have to clean it out later.
Mix it carefully.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say that. Maybe that's why. And it should look like this. It kind of looks weird first, but after you activate it, it'll look much better. Then you're going to add your Tide or any activator. And it should start activating like this. Like that. And after you activate it, if you don't use Barbasol, it still might not feel fluffy, so you can add some more shaving foam. And yeah, after it's kind of activated like this, you want to mix it with your hands. And this was enough glitter that it doesn't really stick to your hands, but like it doesn't go like this. Another slime I made was super glittery and it got everywhere. Yeah, so let's just clean up that mess that we spilt there. That I spilt. And it still isn't that fluffy that I want it. So I'm going to see there, you can see the glitters. Ooh. There we go, now it feels more fluffy. Can you see that glitter? Okay. If you love it really fluffy, you can add some more. And this one starts to melt it, so it's starting to melt. Oh.
And it flew.
And it flew. If you didn't watch our other video, go check it out. And the slime also flew, and it's very funny. So go and check it out. I'm gonna just... Whoa, that was a lot. Okay, that's definitely melting. Whoa, that's what happens when you don't use Barbasol. Or this is just the brand. I guess it has like something that you have. Oop. If it starts to melt like and it's really sticky, you just want to add some more activator. That, oop, yeah. And if you overactivate it, you just have to add some more shaving foam. And I did overactivate it. Overactivate it like when it's not stretchy. It just rips. And yeah. See, there you go. I'm just gonna clean up that stuff. And at the end, we're going to do a slime smoothie of mixing both slimes together. And comment down below, what should we call the slime when it's all mixed up. Ooh. And yeah. I'm adding some more shaving foam. Ta-da! it's still pretty sticky now. And yep, so let's grab the other slime, the jiggly slime. This is the leftovers. We're just gonna do a little bit of this. And this, let's see, looks like a little eggy. Let's see what it turns like. That's how it looks like so far. Let's mix in some more. Now we're just gonna add a little bit more of that fluffy. There we go. And that's how it looks like. Woo. And it's dripping down. And if you don't have scent, sometimes you can just add hot cocoa powder. Woo. Or you don't. It does. And here's the slime. Ooh. And that's all for today. So make sure you like, subscribe, and press that notification bell to never miss an upload. Bye!